Oh, I have you very precariously positioned. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Romany. If you're new here, hi, hello, welcome. Today we are going to be doing another unboxing. This little beauty here, this is just my look and it is hashtag TikTok made me buy it. It is the beauty box, so it's, as far as I know, all of the goodies that have been trending on TikTok. I think. It cost me, let me double check, but I think it cost me about £25. I have no idea how much they're claiming this box is worth. I am thinking it's more than £25. And apparently it contains a selection of 13 standout products. I don't want to read anymore because I don't want the spoilization of what is inside. If you are new here to my channel, then I highly recommend that you subscribe. That would be great. And let's see what is in this box. Little outer card there. Oh, and it's like a drawer. And there's all the bits. Look, you get a first peeky week. Right, let's have a look. Let me have a look. So we're just gonna grab, okay? We're just gonna grab the first thing that, oh, there is also a card. £85 apparently this box is worth. Hashtag TikTok made me buy it. Experience the buzz of TikTok's beauty scene with our TikTok trending beauty box. This curated selection includes viral favourites like Redken. Oh, I don't want to read all of those. Yep. Okay, I'm not going to read that. Okay, and there's a little picture on the front there that gives the game away. I don't like that. I don't want to give the game away. Right, so the very first product that I've taken out is this. Could you see that? There you go. So this is the Bondi Sands Gradual Tan Face Lotion. I think I've got this already. Gradually builds to a natural tan with shea butter for hydration. I think I have actually got one of these already, but I've not used it. I don't know why, because I should do, because summer does not seem to be coming. Right, this is the Aveeno Calm Plus Restore for sensitive skin oat rich balm. This is unscented for dry to very dry skin. Clinically proven to help fine lines. Why is my camera being such an idiot and going so dark? Stop it. Clinically proven to help 5 signs of dry skin: tightness, roughness, irritation, flakiness, and scowling. I mean, Aveeno is very nice anyway. Is this for, where is this? Massage into face until fully absorbed. Okay. It's just, it's not as thick as what I thought it would be. But on your hand is very, very nice. So I'm sure that will be very, very nice. I'm wondering what is wrong with my camera. You probably can't even see. It's probably fine for you, but it's driving me slightly mad. Because it's not behaving itself. Fucking hell, I nearly knocked the camera over. Right, I've popped a light on. Bloody hell, honestly. Right, the next item is, oh, Juicy Bomb Shiny Lip Gloss. Okay, you can see that? So, Juicy Bomb from Essence. And this is Oh, it smells delicious. Do my lips look beautiful? Shiny lip gloss. I love a shiny lip gloss. I've got plenty, so I don't really think I need any more, but hey. The next thing. Ooh, very excited to try this. This I was going to buy by itself a while ago. Can you please? There you go. This is the rosemary oil. Hair and scalp oil with rosemary oil. Well, I hope so, because it's got its main ingredient is rosemary oil, so hopefully it contains rosemary oil. For all hair types, Pro Salon Hair Care. Okay, so there are people out there that say that rosemary oil is very good for hair growth, scalp care and stuff like that. So I was going to buy this just by itself. I'm glad I didn't. I'm very excited to try that. Next item. This is the Catrice Cosmetics Melted Sun Cream Bronzer. I have never tried anything from Catrice. Don't know what I thought that would smell like. Doesn't smell of anything, but it's a cream bronzer and I'm very, very excited to try that. Ooh. Right, this is the Redken Acidic Bonding Concentrate. Intensive treatment, intense conditioning, fortifying, optimized for coloured hair. Excited to try that. Obviously my hair is normally coloured today. It's not. I'm trying to let it go for as long as possible before I dye it. But the greys are taking over. Right, oh, an Olaplex. Okay, I don't know whether that focused, it's getting on my tits. Okay, this is the Olaplex number 3. Hair Perfector. Repairs and strengthens all hair type. What is it though? Is it a shampoo? Used before shampooing, not a conditioner. It's a bond builder. Okay. Alright, could you just not put that on the front? It's very small, but we'll try that. Excited to try that. Oh my god. How cute is this? Okay, great. There you go. It is now focusing. It's taken about 20 minutes to focus. Okay, this is the Ceraphil Gentle Skin Cleanser for normal to dry and sensitive skin. Hydrates as it cleanses to soothe and replenish skin's moisture. It's very tiny, I will say, but I'm very much looking forward to seeing that, trying that. Oh, hold on a sec. Have I got this? Right, this, a lipstick from Revolution, and it is in the shade Chauffeur Nude. I feel that we need to... I don't think I need to swatch it, but hey. Oh look, fancy. It's got an R on it. Obviously for Revolution, not for Romany, but hey. Oh, that is creamy. That is a nice colour as well. It's very creamy. My goodness. It's like a... It's more of a dusky, rosy brown colour. That's how I'm describing it. Okay, do we need another lip balm or another lip product? Apparently we do. This is, if the camera could fucking focus. There you go. This is the To Be what is it? To be tanned? I don't know what that says. Anyway, it restores. It's a lip balm. It restores, replenishes, locks in moisture, plumper and softer lips. And this is in strawberry. And it says you can also use it as a lip mask. Okay, last product is one of these. This little beauty is the Heatless Curling Scrunchie. I have tried many a Heatless Curlies, and I've even just used the towel thing, the robe thing. Yeah, you know, the thing that goes around your waist. I've used that. That does quite well actually. But this is a scrunchie. Achieve soft curls or prolong a blowout with this heatless curling scrunchie. It's super soft satin material, is comfortable to sleep in whilst locking in moisture, reducing frizz and minimizing damage. Suitable for all hair types, 2 inches below shoulder length, no heat or stress. Okay, so we just shows a little picture on the back of how to do it. So it looks like you basically shove your hair in a bun like this, and then, yeah, I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to try that. Anyway, there's some very good products there actually. I'm quite pleased. Very pleased about the rosemary oil and the cream bronzer, I think, and the Olaplex and the Redken are probably my favourite bits from that box. Remember, if you do buy these boxes, anything you're not going to use, you're not going, you know, is not your thing, don't forget to give it away. Give it to somebody. Donate it to somebody. Anything like that. Okay? Because otherwise the box is a waste if you're not going to use the products. Okay? Any products you're not going to use, donate them. I need to take my own advice really. But hey. Anyway, that's all from me from today. Let me know if you have got any of these boxes before and if you've tried any of those products before. I have not, so I am interested to see what I think of them. I will see you all for the next one. Bye.